Hello guys, welcome to yet another short and sweet recipe. This breakfast dish is absolutely delicious and quite easy to make. You'll start with 2 eggs, crack them on a large enough bowl, and then season them with salt and black pepper. Now you'll add about quarter cup of milk. Your milk should be cold. Then go ahead and beat your eggs until they are nicely combined. So this egg mixture is the first part of our recipe. Now grate some mozzarella cheese and set that aside. And now we'll need some sausage. So this is breakfast sausage. I'm using turkey sausage. You could use any other type of sausage that you love. But sausage that can cook well in the oven without burning too fast. So chop that up and then set it aside. And now you'll need some hot dog buns. Of course, you could use brioche buns here because they're perfect for breakfast, but the regular buns also do just a good job. Go ahead and cut them into halves. Grease your baking tray and then just set it aside. And now you're going to dip your bread onto the egg mixture and just let it soak up that egg mixture nicely on both sides. When it's ready, you're going to place it on the tray that you just greased, and then do the same with the rest of the pieces. Dip them, flip them over, press on them a little bit, and then just lay them all out on the tray. Now, some buns come with like very uneven pieces, but if you find buns that are nicely cut in the middle, they make perfect halves. That's awesome. Now go ahead and top your buns with cheese, just a little bit of cheese. If you add too much, they're going to overflow when this go into the oven and it won't look so good. So just a little bit of cheese, an amount that would stay on top of this. Also note that you can use any other type of bread with this recipe. When you're done with that, go ahead and lay your sausage on each piece. So the sausage I'm using neatly fits in, like, 2 pieces filling the entire width of the bun. So just go ahead and lay your sausage out in whichever way you like, but keep it within the bun. So you don't want it to overlap because then it could fall off when it starts to bake. When you're done laying all your sausage, you might not use all the sausage, but when you're done topping all of the buns with sausage, now you're going to sprinkle some more cheese on the top. You could get a little bit creative here and maybe use other cheeses that you like. But in the original recipe that I found on YouTube, they did use mozzarella cheese. So yeah, I chose to use those as well, and this recipe is so delicious. So top everything, and then you're going to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes, or just until your cheese begin to brown. And your dish is ready. It's perfect for breakfast. You could serve this with any sauce that you have in mind. You could do a drizzle on them, but I just ate this as they are, and then with a cup of tea. But you could serve this really with juice, with coffee, in any way you eat your breakfast. I hope you love this recipe, and I hope you'll stop by again. Subscribe, like, comment, and see you in another video. Thank you so much for stopping by.